Madume ka gae ke a go amogela go leihlo la setšhaba ka leina ke nna Raymond wa ga Mojapelo. Mekgatlo ya bomme ya go ikema e raloka karolo ye botlhokwa setšhabeng. Mekgatlo ye e thuša kudu basadi le baswa mananeong a tšwelopele, twantšho ya botlhokwi le go ruta go ikema. Bošegong bjo re kopana le mekgatlo ye eteletšego pele ke basadi. Non-governmental organizations led by women play an important role in society. These organizations help women and youth through developmental programs, poverty alleviation, and self-reliance. Tonight, we meet organizations led by women.
Dipalo-palo tsa tlhokego ya mesebetsi Afrika Borwa di feta diperesente tse 32, mme baahi ba angwe ke dijo le disebediswa tsa theko e phahamang kgafetsa. Mekgatlo eo e seng ya mmuso e thusa haholo ka ho kenya letsoho ho baahi ba dikojwana mahetleng. Mekgatlo e jwalo ka Omphile Bokamoso e thusang bomme ba sa tswa ho beleha, le Youth Connect e thusang batjha ka ho ntshetsa dihlahiswa tsa bona dimarakeng, di bapala karolo ya bohlokwa setjhabeng.
When we are scaling it with our sisters from all of the clinics that we are helping out, is about 3,600 moms in this project.
How ka wa thusahala Mphile ho thusaetse community ya Diepsloot.
Today we are grateful to say that we have helped many women in feeling supported through this motivation.
We are just trying to connect the young people. It doesn't matter our background, but as long as they are able to come and join in and share the conversation.
Mmereko ba o dirang ko mo botse ka baka la hore Diepsloot ke mo ile hore go na le batho ba bantši ba bang ga ba shome.
Batjha bao e leng basadi Afrika Borwa ba ikentse ka setotswana dinthong tse phahamisang le ho thusa setjhaba sa bona. Omphile Bokamoso ke emeng ya mekgatlo e theilweng bakeng sa ho ntlafatsa maemo a bomme ba sa tswa ho beleha ba hlokang.
I went to the clinic, I was giving birth to her first son, and she saw that in the government hospital, she could see that there was a niche. It was her first child, it's a first time experience. You want to have all that joy with you and everything. But then when you also see someone else next to you, instead of experiencing the joy, they're experiencing grief. They're experiencing, what am I going to do now? Like they are literally thinking in their minds. Just imagine someone is sitting there saying, okay, when I get home, what am I going to feed this child? Or how am I going to clothe this child? So she could pick up on that energy because she's a mom. I've always had a passion for helping people, even in the church, doing the church outreach, and my partners Shirley as well.
Mokgatlo wa Omphile Bokamoso o na le dilemo tse 4 o theilwe, mme o ngodisitswe semmuso jwalo ka mokgatlo o sa tshehetsweng ka ditjhelete ke mmuso ngwahola.
We started Omphile Bokamoso in the year of August the 9th in 2021. We are self-funded non-profit organization which caters for the vulnerability of our community, where we come and we sponsor by giving baby blankets to moms and children, and also leaving some food packages for those moms that actually don't have anything in need. So Omphile Bokamoso was founded based after COVID was uplifted, and we saw that there was a big gap, and it was during the time that we were coming where we know many people were suffering and not being able to provide. So we saw this gap and we just took the risk and we went with it.
Alsacian o sebetsa lefapheng la bophelo hore e nngwe ya dintho tse ba susumeditseng ho fana ka dikobo ho masea a sa tswa hlaha ke ka lebaka la palo ya masea a qetwang ke serame.
We realized that there's a lot of babies in South Africa dying from hypothermia, which is something that hasn't been fully aware to parents, And so we took that and we said, okay, let's take these baby blankets. Let's educate these moms when we give them that, you need to cover your baby like this. We believe that by doing that and being able to provide this helping hand has really helped bring the awareness about hypothermia, which is decreasing on baby's body temperature, and also bring the care, the Ubuntu spirit.
Mokgatlo ona o eseng wa mmuso o thusa ditleliniki tse mmalwa ho potoloha le Johannesburg.
Calculator when we are scaling it with our sisters from all of the clinics that we are helping out is about 3,600 moms in this project since 2021. It could have been more had we had enough funding. So that was just solemnly digging into our pockets, and also our family members, they also came through. So self-funding, I can Alsa and my husband, we were the ones from digging way deep down into our pockets alone. Our families, our sisters, our brothers, our church members, the clinic for one, OR Tambo Clinic, Philip Moyo, Davidson, Davidson Main Clinic is in Davidson as well. JD Dumani Clinic is in Vosloorus.
Mokgatlo ona wa Umphile Bokamoso o sebetsa le Lefapha la Bophelo bo Botle boemong ba ditleliniki tseo ba nehelanang ho tsona.
Umphile Bokamoso e thomile ho shoma le rena ka 2021. Re clinic e le hore ya belegisha re na le maternity. So re na le bomma ba ile gore ba tla ho je ba sena diaparo tsa bana di nappies. Yeah, so ba sale ba thushana le rena go tloga ka nako eo. Nako ngwe ba gona gore dropela di parcela tsa bana ka bo Christmas or re na le di event tsa go tshwana le bo breastfeeding week le bo pregnancy week. Ke NGO NPO e leng gore ya thusha o ka re ba ka ba le matla mantši a gore ba tswele pele gore thusha.
Shirley le Alsesian ha ba sebetse le ditleliniki fela, empa le baahi ba nang le neo ya ho fana.
Ke nna motho o shebaneng le dintho tsa di-pastoral care, tsa di-mission ho hlokahalang community-ing. Ke ha a mpitsa a tlo ntsebisa ka batho ba Umphile e le hore ba ile ba founa ba re na le dintho tsa bana re ka di isa kae ke bo mang ba nidang dintho tseo rona re tsebe community. So moruti a mpitsa a re ke kopane le bona re tle re partnership le bona. Last year ba ne ba le teng ka yona kgwedi about 15 ya ba tswetse ba ne ba ile ke ba bitsitse ka ba lata ditleliniking ba ba fa dikobo ba ba fa dijo.
Ho ba mokgatlo o ikemetseng o sa tshehetsweng ka ditjhelete ke mmuso kapa mafapha a private, mathata e ba a mangata mme le Umphile Bokamoso ho bile jwalo.
The challenges tsa rena is not so obvious to other people, but for us it's financial. The finances behind it, because for instance right now remote Diepsloot, for us to get here is petrol, for us to get here is transportation, and then for us to distribute the blankets, those blankets need to be bought because we are distributing new baby blankets. It's not reused blankets. And the other services it's the food packages. We're also buying that. So self-funding, meaning that we have to, how do we measure this is via bona bo sister Tsetsewa. Liko kae? Sometimes they do call us, or where are you guys? And then kana where you find or okay, we are around. It's just we don't have the finances.
Because I know
Bonyane bo mokgatlo ona bo bo etsang bo ama maphelo a baahi ka tsela e ntle.
Ha o ka wa thusahala Mphile ho thusaetse community ya Diepsloot.
mme re ko ba o dirang ko mo botse ka baka la gore Diepsloot ke mo ile gore go na le batho ba bantši ba bangwe ga ba šome, so go tsege motswadi a tlile a tlobelega a sena le ka seaparo sa ngwana, so e ba thuša ga kudu. And then go botse go bona mme a thabetse diaparo tše diswa tša di fiwang ke batho ba Omphile Bokamoso.
Well done, man. Baby boy.
Letsoho le fanang le hlonolofala ho feta le amohelang. Ke ka hoo mokgatlo wa Omphile Bokamoso o etsang sena hobane ba re ke thabo ho bona.
Today we are grateful to say that we have helped many women in feeling supported through this motivation. We've seen some mothers, when we give them the blankets, the smile they have, that was, for us, that's the joy.
Priceless.
That's priceless. We also want to create workshops to help these moms come out of the poverty mentality, make them become entrepreneurs of themselves, build them with skills to say, if I have hands, what can I do? You know, can I need something? And then open up small markets where these moms can come and showcase what they have done.
We are hoping to open, you know, a workshop where we will be able to identify such strengths like business capabilities within these moms. And how we'll be able to do that is by seed funding.
Alse o re ditoro tsa bona ka Omphile Bokamoso di tlola matipoho ho ya phatlalla le kontinente ya Afrika.
Our vision moving forward is that in future we want to open up a pharmacy. Yeah? Now it's not an ordinary pharmacy, it's not going to be like your Discam or your Discovery, but it's a pharmacy that can give aid to the people that don't have the funds. For example, if a Panado costs at a Discam 10 Rand, we want to have a pharmacy where it will cost less than that, like 5 Rand, that makes it super accessible for our community that we are serving. So we also want to go big. We don't just want to be in South Africa. We have needs in countries like Angola, Mozambique, Malawi, people that we have connected with that tell us, oh, when are you coming here? When are you going to do this? And so we want Omphile Bokamoso to be a Pan-African organization.
Ba mekgatlo e etellwang pele ke basadi e thusa ho matlafatsa basadi le batjha. Mme sena ke seo mokgatlo ona o e seng wa mmuso wa Youth Connect e leng sona. Mokgatlo ona o sebetsa le batjha Sharpeville, Borwa ba Johannesburg.
We have a movement, Yabatu Babacha, called Youth Connect. So because I'm a youth leader at our church, we decided, you know what, Batho ba batjha ba teng ka kerekeng ha re banke re ba kopanye. We just saw this as a great opportunity for us to have this event where we're going to have creatives in the room. We're going to be having artists. We're going to be having young entrepreneurs who will be having stores displaying their products. This is the time for us to rise up as young people and show that re na le bokgoni ba hore re ka etsa something to change our lives. So I do believe in young people so much, and I believe if they just given a chance to prove themselves, I think they will do something in the community and change the community.
Sebaka sa Vaal, tlhokeho ya mesebetsi e ho diperesente tse 32, mme e ka nyolohela ho diperesente tse 50. Francis o re ha se tlhokeho ya mesebetsi fela mathata a mona, empa le menyetla ya tshehetso ya ditjhelete e bang o batla ho qala kgwebo.
Some of the challenges tseo ke boneng hore batjha ba rona ba tlhakana le tsona is that there are lack of resources tse teng tse available for bona. He ba leka ba re ba apply, they find so many rejection emails, and I'm one of those young people in nna ke tla tjho hore ke thotse hore ke bothata, and now ya ba discourage ntho eo. So I saw also the lack of jobs available in this area ya Vaal Triangle.
Le ha tlhokeho ya mesebetsi le tshehetso ka ditjhelete e le bothata mona, ho santse ho ena le batho ba itekang.
Havila ke kgwebo ya mo Vaal, motho a motjha wa pele wa tlo sebetsa like le Havila, and then this year neba yetsa this program where they take people and then they teach them about the product. That's how they make jobs for people.
Khale jwang ke ntse ke ithuta ho crochet up until ka bana le ideas ya hore ne ke hlola ke bona bo di TikTok, but now ha tla ho nna hore re se ka etsa dintho tse TikTok ke etsa ntho e separate kapa e unique. That is why ke leng ka re ketse di shole le di cover hobane there is a need haholo in winter.
Mokgatlo ona wa Youth Connect o sa tswa ho thewa monongwaha, mme e ne e le lekgetlo la pele ba kopanya batjha ka tlasa moaho o le mong.
We are just trying to connect the young people. It doesn't matter hore background ya bona ba tswa kae, but as long as they are able to come and join in and share the conversation le rona re bue puo e one. Ke bone talente e ngata haholo hona mona kerekeng. Bana ba ka kerekeng ho ba leka hore ba bine ba kopanye maphelo a bona ba rekise, even if ke ntho tse nyane o tshwana ho rekisa di sweets, ke bone fela the potential e teng and le tjheseho ya hore ba dule ba le kerekeng. So ka be ke bona ka re ona ke monyetla wa hore ke ba tshware santsane ba le mona, ba le thapelo ka haholo ene le hore bana re ska ba ba losetsa ho lefatshe.
Mekgatlo eo e seng ya mmuso mme e etellwa pele ke basadi e ba le karolo e kgolo haholo eo ba e bapalang ditokelong tsa basadi le matlafatsong ya maphelo a bona, mme e fana ka ditshebeletso tse ngata tse fapaneng tse jwalo ka thuto tsa bophelo le ntlheng ya molao. E bang o rata ho tshehetsa mokgatlo wa Umphile Bokamoso ka tjhelete, account ya bona ke eo.
Lenaneo la lekgono le felela moo e ba le rena gape mošupologo o tlago ge nako e le seripa morago ga iri ya seswai mathapama gona mo go SABC2. O ka re ngwalela ka email go leihlo la setšhaba @sabc.co.za. wa re ngwalela go letlakala la leihlo la setšhaba go Facebook. Mananeo a leihlo la setšhaba a hwetšagala go YouTube. O kwa ka lenaneo le latelago theletša Thobela FM, Lesedi FM le Motsweding FM ka mošupologo mesong. A be boroko, shalom.